Well, hello everybody. Hey, Steve Tristan here. Welcome to Steve Tristan's Best. I'm here with DIY Aidan. Say hello, Aidan.
Hey everybody.
Sorry to hit you so hard. So we're having fun today. Just wanted to welcome you to our channel and explain a few things about why we even started the channel to begin with. Do you remember why we started DIY Aidan?
We started DIY Aidan so that we could show people how to do things around the house, or like for instance, how to walk down a ladder or replace a windshield wiper or do a screen door.
Okay, cool. And you've learned all these things?
Yes.
Yourself? Yeah? So that's actually you working in the videos?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yes.
And do you think you're going to be able to do that in the future on your own?
Maybe so, maybe not.
I think you can. You've done it once, you've done it twice. All the different takes, outtakes. I think you got it.
Yes.
So, yeah, okay. We actually initially started the company channel for Best Custom Screens, and that was Steve Tristan's Best channel. We changed it to Steve Tristan's Best. So it was Best Custom Screens, and now it's Steve Tristan's Best.
As you can see, blind.
Yeah, and then also Blind and Screen.
Yes.
So if you want to explain a little about, I'll explain a little about the companies. Blind and Screen is our company that sells online, but we sell to apartment buildings and other maintenance facilities, maintenance as well. From that website, and then Best Custom Screens is to everybody, to the homeowners, to the public, and so I think Blind and Screen specializes in more a selected product line, a smaller product line, a little more blinds than screens. But Best Custom Screens has a very expanded amount of screening, including like sliding screen doors, swinging screen doors, window screens, solar screens, and on and on and on. So there's a lot of different screening options there as well. But my point is that Best Custom Screens was the initial channel, but now we've launched it as Steve Tristan's Best because we want to be able to continue to do more generic home
to basically
based.
do our best.
To do our best, yeah. So it's basically helping people with how-to videos and DIY projects around the house, on the job, even on the car. I mean, we did one on windshield wiper blades, and so we want to make sure that people out there have this information, because I know that in today's world, a lot of young people especially don't know how to do certain things, and we're hoping to be out there to be able to help you guys. That's why DIY Aidan is here, to show you that you can do it too. But we have an example of someone who both of us look up to. Everybody needs a mentor, right?
Yes.
I've learned this from a lot of different training that I've been through, but having a mentor in business, having a mentor in life is extremely important. But the mentor that we looked for was actually somebody who we cannot see, and that would be
someone who has already exists.
Yes. Who exists.
It's from a book where we consecrated ourselves to Saint Joseph.
Yeah, it was the consecration of Saint Joseph.
Yes.
By Father, I'm losing his name right now. Do you remember his name?
We'll cut that part out.
Okay, so Consecration of Saint Joseph is the book, and we consecrated ourselves, both of us, to Saint Joseph, and in doing that, we committed to
working around the house,
to also spiritually to committing ourselves to God,
because he was a working man.
Correct. And we committed ourselves to Jesus. We committed ourselves to the Blessed Virgin Mary, as well as to Saint Joseph, to be men, real men of God, real men of faith, and real men who work and work hard, and to protect our families, and to be true men. Okay. And so we basically did this so that way. Honestly, I'm not going to say it's even for the channel, okay, guys? I'm going to be really dead honest with you. It was for me to help my son to be a better man. I didn't want him to turn into someone who couldn't change a tire on a car or couldn't do something like that, and so I want to make sure that he's capable of taking care of his family when the time comes, right? So that's what counts. That's what matters.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. I love you.
Way more.
You got this on video.
Yeah. Way more.
Much better. So we have a lot of videos to make coming up, right?
Yep.
And it'll be a lot of around the products, but also around things that we're doing around the house. And you'll be getting a lot more in the springtime. It's just a little easier to film when it's warmer, as times we get to do things. So, guys, I just, from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank each and every one of you. And is there anything else you want to add, Aidan?
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you guys next time.
Guys, thank you. Take care, and God bless.